Guys, welcome to Whitehouse Nature Center. We're getting ready to check out the nature trail. This is the visitor center right here. Let's see what this trail is all about, guys. Come join us. One of the first things I notice when you get on the trail at the nature center is they have a proper place for your trash, glass, and cardboard and plastic. For the trash, we got trash here and the recyclables over here. So guys, do your part. If you're out on the trails and you see any trash, pick it up. Let's go check out this trail. By the way, I forgot to mention, this trail is located in Albion, Michigan. Let's go take a look. So it kind of looks like they're doing a little cleanup work, as you can see as we go down through the trail. First little bridge crossing. Looks a little bit rickety, but it's solid. It's a solid bridge. It's a beautiful day. So I guess we'll go this way. We got a lot of birds, got a lot of things to say. One thing I do like, we got little signs everywhere, so that's kind of neat. Beautiful, nice, wide trail. We got a lot of crazy birds. Of course, it is early morning. Nice little leg stretch. We already did almost 6 miles back in Hillsdale on our local NCT this morning. And now we're getting ready to do another 4 miles on this trail in Albion, Michigan. Somebody, little Bella, keeps stopping and sniffing at everything. Come on. Guys, what do you think about her little Halloween harness? My little baddie girl. Lou, you're baddie crazy. Drop a comment, guys, if you think her little baddie harness is pretty cool. Lou, see if you got any fans. Maybe you'll get one comment. Lou, do you got fans at all? I'm just curious. Asking for a friend. Lou, you're nosing in the camera. Well, the nice thing is they got little maps all over the place. So we got a little marsh area we got to go down to and visit. But let's get down the trail. Piney forest. Beautiful day out. It's still fairly early. I think it's about 10:30 in the morning-ish, right around. Let's see what we got going on. We got another sign up here. So all kinds of little signage. I think there's a little trail that leads down, I think down to the water. I'm not sure. We're gonna go peek at this. There's a little trail over here. Got another sign, little trail. Let's go see. Looks like we stumbled upon a little bird feeder, but it doesn't really look like there's much bird feed in there, if any. Warning, wildlife present. What is neat about this place is I come out to this little area right here and there's actually another access point. So I think this is a little community back here of some really nice houses, but you can jump on the trail back here too, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna swing the camera around and show you. So you got houses right there, houses, little access road. Yeah, kind of neat. Let's go check this out. Let's get down the trail. So we just came from this location. We're going this way. And if my camera seems a little shaky, it's because Bella keeps jerking everything. So right here, we're at 41. There's a little chute off the trail. And it goes down to the Kalamazoo River. Let's go take a peek. She's trying to get a drink. Whoa, look at you. Get right in there. Some fall colors right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Honestly, I hope you guys stuck around because this is actually one of the prettiest spots of the whole trail. is Marsh Trail, the boardwalk out by the little Kalamazoo River. A little tricky. This is a pretty boardwalk there. Ew, is it pretty? I don't know that this one's for everyone. It may be looking a little rough. Now this looks a little bit rough now. It's a little shaky. I don't know that everybody would want to get on this one. Look at this view. The leaves are starting to change. Looks pretty. Boardwalk looks a little rough. It's a little shaky. Guys, comment below if you would walk on this boardwalk across this here. It's not very deep, so if we go in, we ain't gonna go too deep. Some of this is not even attached. It's pretty rough. It used to not be this rough. I don't remember it being like this. The weather got the best of it, let's put it that way. That's shaky. Let's get a view. Comment below if you would walk across that. Look how beautiful the sky is today. Boy, oh boy, it's a beautiful day. Keep going, Lou. What do you guys think? Did you do this boardwalk? We got a nice little breeze. It's probably about 65 degrees over here in Albion, Michigan at this beautiful little trail we're on. This trail is actually located right inside the Albion College, that is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our crazy little adventure over here at Albion, Michigan. If you did, please smash the thumbs up. Consider subscribing as we do crazy trails, hiking, camping, outdoor activities, cooking, and so on and so forth. Every Saturday we got to upload at 10 a.m. If you like this style of video, you're more than welcome to share it. Sharing is caring, guys. All right, guys, cut.